Okay, hello. We are going to continue and finish with this lesson. Okay. So we were going to put the operation in the calculator. Sorry, there was a glitch right there on my video. So I'm just going to put 2 times square root of 3. We can press times again. Square root of 3. And the answer is 6. Remember what happened with these two? We mentioned it in the previous example. When you have the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, the answer of this is 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. So your answer is 6. All right? Okay, let's move on to this example. This is our last example of these special triangles. And I want you to look at this triangle right here. If you have a colored pencil or a highlighter, I want you to look at this triangle carefully. Look at the sides, the 3 sides. This side measures 12. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Like that. This side measures 12, and what's the measure of this whole side right here? 6 and 6, 12, right? So if it measures 12, 12, 12, it's equilateral. It's an equilateral triangle. Therefore, it's also equiangular. Okay. Remember, the advantage of having the video is that you can stop, you can pause to make your notes. All right. It's also equiangular. If the triangle is equiangular, then the 3 angles inside measure how much? You have 180 divided by 3. This will give you 60. Each of these angles right here measure 60 degrees. But then you're looking for h, the height. So I'm going to highlight this part of the triangle. Okay, and we're working with half of the triangle. Now this angle measures 90, this angle measures 60, and look what happened to this angle of 60. It was divided into 2 parts. You see that? So now I'm going to draw this triangle right here. Let me zoom out now a little bit so you can see what's happening. So this triangle right here, I'm drawing it right here. You have 90, you have 60, you have 30. Okay, because we divided this angle into 2 equal parts. This side right here, the hypotenuse measures 12. This side right here measures 6, and we're looking for h. Now, if you look at the triangle, this is the hypotenuse. I'm gonna write the word and then highlight. This is the hypotenuse. This right here is the short leg, and this right here is the long leg. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight the names. This is the long right here. This is the short. And this is the hypotenuse. Okay, short leg, long leg, hypotenuse. So again, we have a formulas right here. Let me zoom out now. Back again. We have the 2 formulas right here. Remember? Hypotenuse equals 2 times the short, long equals short times square root of 3. So I think it helps if you write them again. Hypotenuse equals 2 times the short, and the long equals short times square root of 3. Okay, we're looking for h. H is the long. So where where do we have the long for a variable? We have it right here. Here's the long. And of course we have the short. So we have the short. So it means that we can use this formula right here to find the h. Long is letter h. The short is what? 6 times square root of 3. So h equals 6 times square root of 3. 10.39. Okay, so those are our examples. This is the lesson. Go over the videos, okay, and try to do the work. Remember, tomorrow you will have the independent practice. They're going to be exactly like these. Pause the video, use this as your guided instruction, and of course I want to see that you did all this work with me. All right, thank you. Bye.